If you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. I was willing to accept what I could not change. You see, God helps those only people who work hard. That principle is very clear. Creativity is seeing the same thing but thinking differently. I firmly believe that unless one has tested the battlefield of failure, one cannot aspire enough for success. Men need difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. Excellence happens not by accident, it is a process. One of very important characteristic of student is to question. Let the students ask a question. Your best teacher is your last mistake. War is never a lasting solution of any problem.